How to delete all your Facebook data. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Click on three lines at the top right. Now, simply click on Settings at the top. After that, in here, click on Activity Log. After you're in Activity Log, at the top, click on Activity History. After you've clicked on Activity History at the top, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find all your history. Simply click on three dots and click on Delete at the bottom. Click on Delete again. Repeat the same process for all the search history. You will also find Clear all searches at the top. Sometimes it glitches and does not show that option, but if you have the option to clear all, you can simply click on Clear All at the top. This is how to delete all your Facebook data. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.